Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous videos we have discussed detail about the subject, but in this video from this we are going to discuss about competitive examination. All of you know that now IIIT Basara is based on the PolySet examination. So if you get a good rank in the PolySet, definitely you are going to get seat in the IIIT Basara. All of you know what is the IIIT Basara. So IIIT Basara is situated in Nirmal district, nearby Basara. So how many seats will be there in the IIIT Basara? And how to get seat into IIIT Basara? What was the previous year procedure and what changes done in this year? So this is nothing but simply roadmap to get seat in the IIIT Basara. So first I would like to congratulate to all of you to get a good marks or good GPA in the 10th class. So in this pandemic situation, we are going to give you maths, physics, chemistry in the series of videos, and we'll cover all the syllabus in the PolySet. So all of you know what is the PolySet criteria and syllabus. So PolySet will have total 120 marks. 120 marks which will have maths 60 marks and physics 30 marks and chemistry is also 30 marks. So here one thing you should know that in the PolySet there is a two streams. One is a agriculture medical stream and second one is a engineering stream. So for getting a seat into IIIT Basara, you need to attend the agriculture stream in the engineering stream, right? So what is the engineering stream? So engineering stream we are having maths, physics and chemistry. Wherein in the agriculture stream, in the agriculture we are having even the biology 30 marks. So for you who are going to attend for engineering examination, you need not to appear for biology. So only you can appear maths, physics, chemistry. Though the question paper will have biology questions, you need not to attempt the biology questions. So maths 60, physics 30 and chemistry 30. So in this video, in this course we have designed maths, physics and chemistry. So maths is taught by me and physics by our eminent faculty Mr. Ramna sir, and chemistry is by our eminent faculty Mr. Ganesh Singh sir. So maths is by me, physics by Ramna sir and chemistry by Ganesh Singh sir. Okay, so we have designed course such a way that it will be understandable very easily, and we will conduct exam also, and after every chapter we will put an exam, then we will evaluate it, and if for any doubts definitely we will address the doubts also. Okay students, so if you are having any doubt you can comment. Definitely the doubts will be addressed in the next session. Okay students, so first of all, what is the changes done in this year IIIT Basara? What was till last year, that was only based on, admission is based on the 10th class GPA. So anybody is getting 10th class 10 GPA, they used to get the rank seat in the IIIT Basara. But due to last year and this year, due to pandemic corona situation, all of you know that, so most of the people got 10 GPA because you written only FA1 exam. Based on that, most of you got 10 GPA. But how to get seat in the IIIT Basara? Because in the state wise there are 2 lakhs people got 10 GPA, but in the Basara how many seats will be there? Only 1500 seats will be there. So total 1500 seats will be there in the Basara. So 1500 seats, how many years? Total this is a 6 years integrated course. First 2 years intermediate and next 4 years BTech. That means if you join once into IIIT Basara, you can come out after a graduate, engineering graduate. In fact, you will come out with a great job also. So that is the famous of IIIT Basara. So in fact, so how to get seat into IIIT Basara? So previously, only government students used to get the seat. Now, this year it is a chance to get private students also. How? Let us see. So previously, if suppose all of you know that government students will get 0.4 deprivated marks for IIIT Basara. 0.4 marks will be added to the government students, whoever studied in the government non-residential schools. Suppose if anyone got 10 GPA, so plus 0.4, total will be 10.4 will be GPA of the student. Suppose anyone is getting 9.8 plus 0.4, that means 10.2. If 9.7 plus 0.4, then 10.1. That means no students is getting the seat less than 10 GPA. That means all the private school children may get only 10 GPA, maximum is 10. But whoever studied in the government schools, they will get, if they got 9.7 in the exam, plus 0.4 is added, total 10.1. So as of now, from last so many years, only government school children are getting seat in the IIIT Basara. But this year, due to the pandemic situation, 10th class board exams are not conducted. Last year what happened is, last year based on the age they have considered. Because most of the students got 10 GPA. Then there is the seats are only 500, 1500. So how to get the seat? There was a big problem to the university. So what they did, they have selected based on the age. Suppose 10 GPA got 500 members, then whoever is having highest date of birth have taken admission into the IIIT Basara last year. But that was not good, and there were so many articles have come because of the age criteria. So many talented students are losing the seats. Okay, to come out of that, this year government of Telangana decided to conduct a set. In fact, PolySet 2021. Through PolySet, IIIT Basara seats are being allotted. Okay, so how it will be allotted? Then everyone will write, right? Private school children write, government school children write. Then where is this 0.4? How they will add? That is the most important, right? So definitely government school children will have a benefit of getting deprivated marks of 0.4. How they will add? Suppose the PolySet exam is having for 120 marks. So this will be converted to GPA. Suppose 120 marks if you are getting 10 GPA plus 0.4 they will add, total will become 10.4. This 0.4 deprivated scores will be added to the government school children. How this will happen? As per my understanding, after appearing PolySet, they will decide the score of the PolySet. They will declare. After getting the PolySet results, IIIT notification will be released. Okay, from that notification you need to apply with your PolySet rank or PolySet marks, so that they will add whoever studied in the government schools, they will add 0.4 to the your score of PolySet. So finally, based on the final marks, they will prepare a merit list and admissions will be given. Okay students, so this is the process to get a seat into IIIT Basara. So now this year PolySet is the most important now. How to get good marks in the PolySet? So for that, we have prepared a course wherein maths, physics, chemistry will be taught by us. And for maths, what is the syllabus and all that? Let us see now. So for maths syllabus, we are having total 14 chapters. How the marks are allotted and divided into different chapters, let us see now. So coming to the syllabus for PolySet, so out of total 60 marks, so as of you know, there are 14 chapters, paper 1, 7 chapters, and paper 2, 7 chapters. And no chapter is deleted, total chapter is not deleted, but only some topics are deleted. The topics which are deleted is not taught. Okay, so from the real numbers, let us see what is the weightage given in the 2020 PolySet. PolySet 2020, weightage for each and every chapter, how the marks are being allotted. Let us see, real numbers is the first chapter from which 5 marks, 5 questions have come in the PolySet 2020. Same way 2019 also 4 to 5 questions or 5 to 6 questions will come. Definitely this is the most important chapter. In the real numbers, the topic logarithm is the most important. Out of 5, definitely 3 questions will come from the logarithm topic only. And coming to the second chapter, sets there is a 2 marks. So from the sets, what are the main important topic is, the mostly they'll ask on the operations like union, intersection with the Venn diagrams. So definitely 2 questions will come from the set, 2 to 3. This time it is expected 2 to 3. So polynomials in 2020, 5 marks have come. This is the most important chapter, polynomial, 5 marks. And 4th chapter is a pair of linear equation which is having weightage of 4 marks in 2020. And quadratic equations, 3 marks. Progressions is also important, which is having 4 marks. And the 7th chapter, coordinate geometry, 4 marks. So total from paper 1, 27 marks is allotted in the 2020 exam. And coming to 8th chapter in the paper 2, similar triangles is having 5 marks weightage. 5 questions are given in the 2020 exam. From secants and tangents or tangents and secants, 5 questions given. Mensuration, 6 questions. And trigonometry and applications of trigonometry, both together 6 questions. And probability is a very, very important chapter and very easy chapter. So probability is the most important chapter, and easiest chapter is the probability, which will give you 5 to 6 marks this year. So in 2020, total 6 questions have come from the probability, and statistics also important one, which is having 4 marks. So total 27 from paper 1 first 7 chapters, and from next 7 chapters 33, total 60 marks is being allotted in the Polyset 2020. So in this year also same approx weightage is expected. 1-2 questions may be vary, but almost same questions can come. So let us see now. We'll start from a chapter. Let us take any chapter in the next session. I hope I'll start with the sets chapter, because real numbers I have already explained in my playlist, you can check. But anyway, I'll explain real number chapters also with respect to competitive examination. But let us start with sets in the next video. In the next video, we are going to start with sets. So every chapter will take, in that chapter, what are all the concepts are there. First, the concept will be taught to you. Suppose if you take the sets, what are the important concepts in the sets? The main important concepts are, so converting one form to another form, like roster form to set builder form to roster form. In this, one question is being asked, what is the set form? Okay, and next definitely question will come from the Venn diagram, and also operations. Operations of set mean union, intersection, difference. So based on this, along with the Venn diagrams, the questions are being asked. So first, my plan is to develop the concept first. Suppose if each and every topic will take 3 classes, 3 to 4 classes. So suppose if you take sets, for concept explanation 2 classes, and after completion of each subtopic, there will be questions discussed based on the concept. After every concept, multiple choice questions will be discussed, and also the previous questions also will be discussed, and after completion of chapter 1, grand test will be conducted. So this is the process of this course. Not only mathematics, even we started physics and chemistry. So daily 3 classes will come to you, maths, physics and chemistry. So students, all of you utilize this and try to get good rank, and I hope all of you will get IIIT Basara seat. Okay students, thank you very much. For if you are having any doubt, you can put in the comment section and that will be addressed. And also you share this video to all the Polyset and your friends also, Polyset aspirants and your friends. Thank you students, we'll meet in the next video.